Hi, it's Corey from the Cloud Brothers. Today I am going to be talking to you about Jira. We're doing an introduction to Jira that's used for DevOps for project task management. Scott's going to be showing me it. But before we get into that, I just wanted to jump on here quick and say thank you to all our new subscribers and our existing subscribers. Before Scott and I are overjoyed that we went up 12 subscribers in the last 28 days. So we actually jumped up to 83 subscribers. This is natural. This isn't our buddies following us. It's all of you, and we appreciate you. And we hope to see more of you soon, so we can keep bringing you content. And we hope you enjoy. Hello and welcome to the Cloud Brothers. I'm Corey, and that's my brother Scott. And today we're here to talk about Jira that Scott wants to introduce me to. Take it away, Scott.
Yeah, I'm going to do it a little bit shorter today. Our videos, the last ones, have gone a little bit long, and in getting back to our shorter videos, I thought we would introduce you to Jira, like you said, because every cloud job that I've had so far, we've used Atlassian's Jira, and I was just going over it last week and found that you can make a free account. So since Corey's probably never used Jira before, you've never used Jira before, right?
No, I haven't used Jira before. I've just heard about it a few times.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I can see right here at atlassian.com/software/Jira, it says get it free.
Yeah, so the plan is just to walk through, make an account, and I've used it before quite a bit.
Yeah.
So we're going to walk you through the few features, just go through the sign up process, walk you through basically what it does, and that'll be the whole thing.
And you can do it at home if you follow along.
Yeah, the link will be in the description, but it only took, all you got to do is Google Jira. And
I literally just Googled Jira, to the one word Jira, to get here.
Yeah. So without further ado,
you click on get it free. That's step one, and it gives you a little spiel here, and it's asking me if I want to select a second product. Do I want to do that, or do I just?
No, I think there's cost to the other ones.
Okay.
But I just quickly go over the check boxes on the left hand side.
Okay.
Supports up to 10 users and 3 agents. Not quite sure what an agent is. I guess an agent might be an administrator, or an agent might be the other way. Like they can just make tickets, but they can't do other stuff. Not sure about that.
Okay.
2 gigs of storage for free. Offers community support. And the big one that caught my attention is it's always free, no credit card needed, as long as you stick with those top 3 things.
Okay, great. And then if you don't go up from just Jira onto Confluence and Jira Service Management, there'll be no cost. And okay, cool. And right behind here, I'll just move it a little bit. Let's see if I can do that easier. Right here, it says again, no credit card required. That's behind Scott's badge there. So I'm going to click on next, which is right over your shoulder.
Yeah.
Get started for free.
Yeah, so the simplest here is to just use your Google one. If you want to sign in with the email, you click in with the email one, but for our purposes, we'll just use Google authentication. It's fine.
Yeah. And there's my email address and my full name. Yes, send me news. No, I don't want that. So I'm not going to click that checkbox. Not yet. By creating an account, I accept terms.
It's actually nice that they didn't auto-fill that in for you.
Yeah, it is.
You didn't have to uncheck it.
So I'm just going to click on create my account. Your account.
Oh, this will be your account.
Oh, I have to name my site. Okay. Yeah, welcome back, Corey. I've been here before.
I think that's just a cookie.
Okay.
Maybe you've been on Confluence. I'm not sure.
What should I put here
But
for the name? This is a
might,
permanent name of my site.
you might as well use the Cloud Brothers or Cloud Brothers.
Let's see if it's available. Hello!
Yeah. Yeah.
The Cloud Brothers Atlassian.net. Yes, I would not like to receive promotional emails, therefore I won't click this. Terms, policies, no credit card required. Again, agreed.
I agree.
I'm all for that. Tell us a bit about yourself. This helps us personalize your experience.
Yeah, so IT support,
Yeah.
software development. What is your role? Let's say system engineer.
Yeah, that makes most sense.
Yeah.
What are your main tasks? Fine.
You might as well select them all, really.
Improving workflows, code writing and reviews. Yeah, well, obviously, if you're doing DevOps, you do all of this stuff. Maybe not help desk. Is it help desk? Yeah, of course, because you talk to customers.
They might as well. I want to go through what they have. So click.
Okay,
I want
we
to
can just
see
click
everything.
all of them. That's fine. You can see them all here. Here's the list. Oh, you can skip the question if you want. It's at the bottom.
It's not mandatory.
And you can change it later. Up, our robots are working on your Atlassian cloud site. This won't take more than a minute or two. The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
Bullshit.
You'll be taken there once it's ready. Off screen, while I had the recording paused, I looked it up because this was taking longer than a minute or two.
Yeah.
And then I tried typing in the cloudbrothers.atlassian.net, and lo and behold,
working.
It's working. The site is set up.
That was in the Stack Overflow.
It was.
Stack Overflow?
No, I just. You know what I did?
What
is
I took that.
I put this. I copied and pasted this and put quotes around it and Googled it, and I clicked on the first one that popped up.
Which would happen to be in Stack Overflow.
Yeah. Why don't I try and do it again just for fun? So if that happens to you, I just went like this. Old school Google trick. Brand new site stuck on startup. Atlassian community.
Atlassian community.
It actually is in this community. Okay, so no, it's not that. But it says, it's definitely taking more than a minute. And the answer this person put was basically type in it, but try a different browser. I just did the same browser because I thought it would. And it worked. So just so you know.
The other one that's important there.
Mm-hmm.
The other one's important there is answer accepted.
Yeah, that's very important. I've noticed that on forums, not just on this one. The answer is accepted, and it worked. I may go back there and say thank you later. So anyway, we can close this, and all right. Help us set up your Jira. Recommend a project. Answer a few questions. We will suggest a project type that works best for you and your team. So what should I do here, Scott?
What's the drop down there?
I am new to Jira. I am experienced with Jira.
I would say new to Jira.
My team, because you're my team.
Yeah.
Experience.
We'll
just say new too. Let's say new. We spend our time working on
features, support,
all that stuff.
Operations, field bugs. So you got to pick one. So support and operations. Because we are DevOps.
Okay. We have a flexible schedule.
Very flexible.
Yeah. And click on next. You can change these details in your project settings. The Cloud Brothers.
Yeah, the Cloud Brothers.
That's us. And what's this? So.
I don't know.
The key. It's CP.
Oh, it's just a short. Yeah, CP.
It recommends it. Template. Kanban recommended. Change type. Team manage recommended. Just create project, or do we have?
It says we can change it later. Just create the project.
Oh, you can change the template or change the type. Okay, so you create your project in Jira.
Sorry.
Too late now.
Yeah. So skip that. that's the integration to connect to Slack and
Hmm.
all the other things.
Oh, so here you invite
Uh,
your team members?
yeah, so put me on there with
Uh,
my email address. Just yeah, the Gmail one's fine.
yeah, I'll probably blank these out later. That's just you.
Okay.
Do I have to invite myself, or because I'm the administrator to this site, I
No,
don't
you
have to?
correct. You don't have to
Okay.
do it yourself.
And then let my teammates invite other people, and that'd be fine. Uh,
That's fine.
okay, now here we are. We're
Okay,
in
so
your team's process. Manage the status of task and optimize workflows. Your board starts the simple three-step workflow. Work is managed out in the open, so everyone can track the status of a task as it moves columns. When you're ready to customize your workflow, add or edit your own columns.
yeah,
Limiting work in progress maintains focus and avoids bottlenecks. When you've got a feel for capacity, set a task limit and we'll let you know when you've hit your max. Once you're set up, start identifying and adding issues, which is what we call work in Jira. Try to break work into evenly sized chunks so you can estimate the effort and assign tasks with confidence. Okay.
yeah. So the
Okay.
the board type or the other part doesn't really matter for the creating of the work. Both boards you create issues, and I think the difference would so it's the difference basically is how you visualize stuff and how you organize your work, but the work is the same.
Mm-hmm.
In your board, and just the board types are different. But anyway, that's not the main purpose of what I wanted to show you. What I wanted to show you was creating a ticket or creating an issue.
Mm-hmm.
So just click on the create button, and then so the top one there says task there. Sorry, second from the top.
Mm-hmm.
So you can make a task or an epic, I guess. Epic is a group of tasks, and once you get the epic, so all of your tasks will fall under an epic, and then once all of the tasks under your epic are done, then that epic is complete.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. So we'll just create a task for now because I don't want to go too long with this one.
Yep.
So to do, say, update the Cloud Brothers site to WordPress, for example. Or just make something up. Yeah, and then that's it. And then you would just fill in the details, the description. We would like to update our current static website to a dynamic WordPress website, something like that. And then there's a bunch more checkboxes. These are the default ones. You can click assign to me, so you can say I'm going to do it.
So I can assign that to Scott or myself. Okay.
Yeah, labels are you can assign it to me if you want. We're just gonna delete it after anyway.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then labels are organizing, a good way to organize for your searches. Jira has a query language called JQL, and if you use labels, if you have a large project, it's a lot easier to organize things.
Yeah.
Say like WordPress, the WordPress project, or I don't know, moving like GitHub, everything to do with GitHub or something like that. Whatever, it doesn't have to be. You can make whatever label you want. It just needs to make sense. It's all about organizing and searching.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't think you can have spaces in them.
No, that's what it's saying.
So just WordPress. It's fine.
So do WordPress. So
yeah, or you can also leave it blank too.
Yeah, so I can go like that. Oh, that's weird.
Oh,
so now I view issue. I press enter. What I want to do is add labels, but it's just as easy. You edit the label right here. Just click on
correct.
it.
it's the same thing. That's
And
your
say
edit page.
WordPress. Oh, how do you add it? That's how I got that. Like I press enter to do that, but I guess you have to do that here. Cool.
Yeah, it skipped your when you clicked enter. It skipped it. There's actually a create button. Then I think you need to click the create button. Can we create another one? Just one, just
Sure.
create a quick one.
Create task. We'll call this one.
So
Make a
we'll do,
super cool video.
yeah, exactly. Like this one.
Man, this video is cool. Like and
It is.
subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Um.
And we're on our way to 85 subscribers because we're
Yeah.
awesome.
By the way, thank you for 81 subscribers.
Yeah.
We really appreciate every one of you. We've gone up 17 subscribers in the last 28 days. Unprecedented and amazing. Thank you. Okay, so we
just
could
skip all
select
of it.
label.
Skip everything. Oh, what's on the bottom there?
Okay, so I can drop a file on here. Like say
Yeah, so
I want
a screenshot.
say
Or you got a clip, a clip or a screenshot.
a clip or a screenshot, or like if I want to send a text file with code in it, we could drop it in there, I suppose. Like I could drop it there for you.
Log files.
Vice versa.
Log files are.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Linked issues.
Yeah. So
interesting.
Yeah. Because you, I don't think you had this because it was the first issue before.
Yeah, and now I have two issues. But, so now it says linked issues, so I can link the one I just made.
Yeah.
Cool.
That way, that it would be if it was, yeah, and then flagged. I'm not sure what flagged.
You can flag issues with impediments. So.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay, and then create create another issue, or create when I pressed enter last time early, it automatically went to the create, and then
just finished everything.
Yeah, so I'll just do that. I'll just click it this time.
Yeah.
So now we have two issues.
You see where it's going? Yeah. It's going
in the to do section, and then when we start working on it, like if I edit in here, will it?
You make what happens the flow. Yeah, no, you put that in a comment. So go to the bottom. Comment section. It says your activity. It's got activity.
Oh.
So go, actually, we accidentally went to one thing that's good as well. But yeah, so I'm working on this exactly correct.
Okay.
And then look, wait. Go to history. So that's the history of the ticket that you made. So you make the new website, and then you added a label, and then you added a comment. So if you're looking at the history of work on this ticket, you would go there. If you like, if I did here, let me do something, and then I'll see if it refreshes your screen or not. But
well, I can go out and back in.
Don't know if it'll update automatically, but I just made a comment. So if you just go out and back in, if it doesn't,
there it is.
It came up automatically, right?
Hurry! Good job, looking good. Okay, awesome.
Yeah, so that was me in the background. So now exit out of this. So now, actually, part of the board thing is to move it into in progress. It doesn't automatically move it, but once you put the comment in that I'm working on this, you should move it into in progress. And all you got to do to do that is just drag it across. Just drag it.
Oh, okay.
So it's basically the same thing as a post-it notes on the wall for a project, but more formalized.
Oh yeah, and then you can create an issue directly into any of these.
Correct.
Like if you know it's an issue that's already in progress, for example, you could start it here, or if it's done, you can create it here. Oh, I already did that last week. Create issue.
Yeah.
I already made a super cool video because I do that every week.
Yeah. So that's creating an issue. Just to fully go through the process of the board. Once you're done, you would say, "I'm done. Please check it." And then once we agree that it's done, you just drag it. No.
Where do you do it here?
Yeah. You do it in there. You say
in the
okay,
comments.
I'm done with the comments. Yeah.
Like done. Please
check
review.
it. Yeah. Something exactly.
Auto save.
Yeah. And then just 1 sec off for the paper trail for our example. I confirm done. So.
Oh, okay. So it automatically populated there. So you
Yeah,
can
cool.
you confirm it. Now that you've confirmed it, then I can move it over.
You just drag it over into done. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And if it's not, if somebody says, "Oh, I checked it and it's not done," you just move it back to in progress. There's a couple ways to do that. Can you open it up again? Just open it up. So see on the top where it says done. You click on there. You can change it there as well. You can move it to in progress or move it to done there as well. That does the same thing as dragging it across.
It shows
And there,
you
yeah, and there's your basic Kanban workflow. Create the ticket, goes into to do, goes into in progress. Once it's done, goes into done. And you can change that a little bit. Like you can make your own workflow, but that's fine.
Yeah, it's just more advanced. Okay.
So that's all I wanted to show. If you want to poke around on here, if anything catches your interest, we can explain it. But that's all I really wanted to show.
No, I could do it on my own. I could see how this would be really useful doing any DevOps project or even a project if you're collaborating for anything.
Any project period. Exactly. And that's kind of why I got this too. There's a hidden agenda.
Sweet.
This is better than the Excel spreadsheet.
Certainly. Oh, for the Cloud Brothers. I'm picking up what you're putting down. I see you.
So we got a double usage.
All right. Well, that's all we have for this week. Thanks for watching the Cloud Brothers. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time.